Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to talk about returning values. This is one of the important concepts in functions. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand this topic. So we are into the Visual Studio Code and the example which we are going to use is the same example which we have used earlier. So far what we were doing, we have designed this function and this function is taking the parameter and here it is converting it and printing it. And that is not very much useful. If I want to print this value, then you will not get any of the values over here. For example, if you log it console.log, if we try to access upper, it is not accessible. So we can't use this upper as it is a local value. If you try to print it, you will not get any value. So let's look into that. So see here, you will get an error as it is not defined. It is defined within the function that is local. So what my requirement is, I can just pass the variable or say I can just pass the name of the fruit in a smaller case and it get converted and then it will be printed outside of this function. So that means this toUpper function only do the conversion from smaller case to uppercase, and the converted value I can use it outside of the function anywhere wherever we want to use it. And this is the proper way by which you can design the function which will perform their respective task. So how we can achieve this? So here we will use the return value concept. So I will cut it over here and return the upper. And to use this upper, what I will do, I will create a variable over here toUpper, and here I will call this function. So let me call it, save it. Let's look into the output, what output we will get. So see here, outside of the loop also I am able to get the converted value from a smaller case to uppercase, and this comes very handy to writing your business logic in your application. Even we can sorter this as well. Instead of that, we will just return it. So here we will delete this one, Control X, return, save it. Now let's run it again. This time we will write let's learn JavaScript step by step, or say modern JavaScript step by step. Now save it. Let's jump into the browser to see the output, and see here it has returned us from a smaller to uppercase whatever we are passing there, and this time it has returned let's learn modern JavaScript step by step. Now let's proceed further. So I hope you understand the concept of returning values. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.